Hi guys, welcome to another heavy metal diecast video, and today we have a muscle machine. So this is a 1/8 scale. It's by Maisto. It is a 1941 Willys. So these are your normal sort of muscle machines, sort of the cartoony hot rod style, as you can see in the box. It's got the big supercharged engine hanging at the bonnet like they usually do, and the awesomely huge wheels. And what we'll do is we'll get this beast right out of the box. Here we have it straight out of the box. It does come with a little backing plate that you can, use if you want to display it like that. It does come on a pretty standard sort of looking base, but the overall detail of the model itself is, really, really nice. You can see the detail of the supercharger there. The chrome work is pretty good. Have a look at those details in there. It looks really tough. I think overall it's it's another pretty cool example of a nice muscle machine. It's, as I said, it's 1/18 scale. The paint finish overall isn't too bad. You can see it's a little bit thinner along the panel lines and stuff there, but it's nothing to detract from the model itself. It's still a tough looking model. I reckon it's pretty cool. You can see the detail of the wheels and everything there. I think it's awesome. It is a sealed body, so there are no opening components within the car itself. It does not have any real opening parts or anything. But what we'll do is we'll get it off the base. So it does have these 4 screws here that you do have to remove before you can get this car off the base. So we'll do that right now. So here it is off the base. It is doesn't turn or anything like that. It's pretty freewheeling. It's just straight line. The front wheels don't manipulate at all. Underneath the car itself, as you can see, is fairly basic. Once you've undone those 4 screws and you've got that base off, the underneath is fairly basic. The tyres do have a little bit of tread on them, but sort of they're not soft or anything like that. It's just moulding of the sump, moulding of the transmission and diff and tail shaft. There's no real definition or anything like that. It's just moulded into the chassis base. The only thing you do see are the headers that are sort of really noticeable and do come out. But with these models, you're not really looking at the bottom details of them anyway. You're looking at them like this at the top because it's all about that killer engine and those big ass wheels. And that's what these cars are all about. It's a bit of a cool paint job, big motor, big wheels, and that's muscle machine. So, but I reckon overall it is a pretty tidy unit. I don't mind it at all. I think, if you can, find one of these and get your hands on them, if you are collecting these particular type of vehicles, there are a lot to collect. And as I said, I do have a number of these to review and show you. So, but overall, I think it's very nice, very tidy, and and it's also the pretty cool factor. It's a Willys, so you don't see too many Willys, especially these days. But yeah, all right, well, I'll wind this up. So you know the deal. What I'll do is I will do the normal thing and take some photos of this beast and whack them up at the conclusion of this video, which is coming up, and chuck it on the turntail so you can see it without my sausage fingers being in the way. And we'll just chuck it on the deck here. And I think overall it does present well. You won't be disappointed with it if you do manage to find one, or if you do already have one, you'll probably be loving yours right now. And I reckon it's pretty cool. So this is the 1941 Willys 1/18 scale. It's from the muscle machine range, made by Maisto. So I reckon it's pretty cool looking unit, and I reckon you will definitely enjoy it if you do not already have your hands on one. All right, guys, thank you so much for dropping past and watching the video. I hope you've found it helpful, and if you did, throw us a like. That'd be awesome, and even subscribe to the channel as well if you want to see more of this and more of my other stuff that I'm doing. All right, thank you once again for dropping past, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Cheers, guys.